Are you confused with how to structure a strength training plan? Where do you even start? There's so much information out there. Everyone has to start somewhere, and I've literally been in your shoes. Welcome to Iron Phoenix Fitness, where we provide practical fitness advice you can use right away. If you've been wanting to get stronger but feel overwhelmed by words like workout, gym, or strength training, this video is for you. No crazy equipment, no gym membership needed, just simple, effective movements to help you gain strength, build confidence, and move better. Now, with 20 years in fitness, I want to make your path easier. Your support helps me continue bringing you the best content possible. By the end of this video, you'll have a structured plan to start training on your own. Plus, I'll be sharing a full beginner-friendly workout you can do at home. Stick around for that. If you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical fitness advice we deliver weekly. Now, why strength train? You might be wondering, isn't that just for bodybuilders or powerlifters? And should you even care? Is it just to look good, or does it actually help with longevity? The short answer, yes, you should care. Strength training isn't just about building muscle or looking good. It helps with bone density, metabolism, joint health, and overall longevity. Imagine carrying groceries effortlessly, lifting things on and off shelves, or walking upstairs without getting winded. Strength training makes everyday tasks easier and keeps you independent for years to come. If you want to lift 25 pounds for the first time, or if you're trying to bench 225, run a mile, complete an Ironman, set the goal in mind and work towards it. Oh, and let's not forget mental health. Getting stronger boosts confidence, reduces stress, and gives yourself that unstoppable energy throughout the day without having to medicate with caffeine nonstop. Step 1, set your goals. Before we dive in, define your why. What's your goal? Maybe you want to do your first push-up, lift a certain amount of weight, or just feel a little stronger overall. Whatever it is, write it down. Progress happens step by step, and celebrating small wins keeps you motivated. Running your first mile, all the way to bench pressing 135 pounds for the first time, is as exciting as climbing stairs without being out of breath. If you're new to lifting, don't start with too much too quick. Consistency long-term will outweigh one big workout every few weeks, every time. One of the biggest things I've seen is people who start training and they work out to get sore. They get so sore, they're unable to work out for a number of days, lacking motivation. Please don't try to do 100 pull-ups at once or 500 push-ups at once. Try a couple of sets for a few reps, then come back. Try to just work out with your body weight or lift weights 2 times a week. Be consistent, try 30 minutes at a time, and see how you feel. Step 2, create a dedicated workout space. A dedicated space for your workout helps you stay consistent. It doesn't have to be huge, just enough to move around. Grab a towel or a mat for comfort and keep some water to be hydrated. If you live in a hot, humid climate like me, you must have a towel, especially if you're working out in a garage. Over time, you can add dumbbells, resistant bands, or even household items like heavy cans or bags for extra resistance. Now, step 3, master the key movements. Strength training is built on a few fundamental movements done over and over. Boring, yet effective. Here's what to focus on. Push exercises for upper body. Push-ups, you can make this fun with wide grip, decline, or narrower push-ups, and add in some dips as well. Pull exercises, which target your biceps and your back. Things like pull-ups and rows. Use a sturdy surface. All you really need is a branch or a sturdy ledge. If you want to splurge on a pull-up bar, you can get one for under 30 bucks. Squats, which hit your legs, quads, and hamstrings, including your glutes. Bodyweight squats and lunges will do the trick here. Now, don't forget your hinge movements to hit your posterior chain with hip thrusts and deadlifts. They can all be done with little weight and just body tension. Last but not least is your core work, which is comprised of your abdominis rectus, transverse abdominis, and obliques, to name a few. This will help with stability and strength. Planks, legs, bird dogs, leg raises will give you burning as you target your abdominals and surrounding areas. Don't worry about adding too much too quick. Mastering the basics will give you the best results. Step 4, start with body weight. You don't need heavy weights to get stronger. Bodyweight exercises like these push-ups, squats, planks build a strong foundation. Start small, stay consistent, and increase reps gradually. Adding 1 or 2 reps to your body squat weekly is all it takes. Step 5, try this beginner workout at home. It's a simple full body routine. Start with push-ups, 8 to 10 reps, modify by doing them on knees if you need to, and work up to standard form. Body squats, do 10 to 12 reps, keep your chest up, Go as low as comfortable with your back straight, knees over toes, butt down. Hold a plank for 20 to 30 seconds and build up over time. Next, hit pull-ups or rows. 5 to 8 reps is fine. Again, use a sturdy ledge or resistance band. Support some of your weight on your pull-ups if you need to work up to body weight. Last, add some jumping jacks or jog in place for 30 seconds for a cardio boost and repeat as you have time. Ideally, repeat for 3 to 4 rounds. Let me know in the comments if you try this. I'd love to hear how it went. We all get stronger as we support one another. Step 6, add resistance over time. Once body weight movements feel easier, start adding resistance. Resistance bands, dumbbells, or even everyday household items can be used to increase intensity. Listen to your body, but stick to the movements we have discussed, just gradually adding weight or changing tempo to keep your body guessing. This will help you to avoid plateaus. I find the adjustable dumbbells that go from 2.5 to 55 pounds most helpful. You can add these to your collection. You can adjust and use them for most lifts without having to buy multiple individual dumbbells. This is an investment, but will save your cost overall as you stick to your health goals. Step 7, track your progress. Keep a simple notebook journal or use a fitness app to track your workouts. Seeing progress, even small wins, keeps you motivated. How will you know if you're progressing if you don't have the results to back it up? First push-up, first full plank, celebrate it. Enjoy the little milestones. Step 8, prioritize recovery. The magic happens when you rest and eat. Your muscles grow when you rest. Make sure you're drinking enough water, getting quality sleep, eating nutrient-dense foods, and taking at least 48 hours between training the same muscle group. There is a reality of too much of a good thing. Bicep curls every day will actually stop you from growing that muscle. It applies to any muscle. Come back when it feels recovered. Step 9, fuel your body properly. Your workouts will be more effective with the right nutrition. Aim for a balanced diet with plenty of protein for muscle repair. I like roughly 1 gram per pound of body weight for simplicity and recovery. If you fall a little short, you'll still be in a good range. Also, healthy carbs for energy and good fats for overall health. Simple meals like eggs and toast, chicken and rice, or protein and smoothies with greens can make a big difference. Strength training isn't just for athletes, it's for everyone. It helps you live longer, feel better, and move with confidence. And the best part, you don't need a gym to get started. Create a setup that works for you on your budget while keeping your health goals in sight. Consistency trumps fancy equipment any day. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips. What's your #1 fitness goal? What progress do you want to see from strength training? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Stay consistent, keep moving. I'll see you in the next video. We release new content weekly. My goal is to always bring practical fitness advice you can use right away.